Hey guys, welcome to my new video. As you can see, I already have a tons of coins in Pocket FM application. Before make this video, I tried many fake websites on the internet, which has never worked for me. But this one is 100% legit. You just need to follow few steps carefully, and you will get the coins. It works on both device, Android and iOS too, so no need to worry about it. But before you start, make sure you have installed the latest version of Pocket FM. If you already have it, you can start the first step. Open your mobile browser and type this website. Okay, now we are on the website main page. To start the process, type your Pocket FM username. Select which device are you using, Android or iOS, then select how much coins do you want, and simply just tap the generate button to add the coins. The generator started to add the coins to your account, so be patient. This takes some time, depend of your internet speed and your device hardware. We are so close. You need to finish the verification, which needs to download 2 mobile applications from the list. Run each for 30 seconds, or reach levels in a game. If you do these steps properly, you will get the free coins almost instantly to your account. Okay, now everything's done. Open the Pocket FM application, and boom! We got the coins instantly. Now you can watch dramas and short movies for free. Hopefully enjoy my tutorial. If you have any question, just ask me in the comment section. I will help to you guys. Thank you for watching my tutorial. We will meet in the next one.